Alright, as you can see, I have my quad hooked up to the Raptor. Currently I'm actually having some problems starting this quad. I've never had any problems with this Raptor at all. It's always start with one push of this button. But as you just heard in the starter relay, that's all it's doing. I don't know what it is, so if you can comment below, let me know what you think it is. I would definitely appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, I haven't had this quad but 3 months. I have done a bunch of work to it since I've had it. I got this quad 100% stock. I put the Nerf bars on. I put the Motorworks exhaust on. The blue aftermarket chain. Sorry, it's getting dark. You can't see it. But when I unplug it from the truck, the headlights get pretty dim. Well, kind of dim. So you can see I unplugged it. Now it's back on. But yeah, I'll do it again. But yeah, so as you can see, it's not wanting to start. Headlights off, low beam, high beam. But yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put her up for the night. Let me know what you think.